Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Norris with the Norris Group, and this is the Real Estate Headline Roundup in 2. It's November 19th, also Harry Potter opening weekend for the latest flick. Let's get straight to the numbers. So first up, the Mortgage Bankers Association reports delinquency rates for mortgages on 1 to 4 units of residential properties decreased while foreclosure starts increased. LPS says over 7 million mortgages are at least 30 days behind, and it found that the rate of mortgage fraud increased by more than 20% compared to early 2009. DQNews also releasing numbers this week. Southern California down over 7% from September and 24% from 2009, and in Northern California it's 3% and 23%. The average 30% fixed rate mortgage rose to 4.39% this week compared to 4.17% this week, which was a little bit of a large increase. And B of A and Wells Fargo raised minimum credit scores from 620 to 640 for all of their FHA insured loans. And a last bit of numbers news, FHA's capital reserve ratio is down to 0.5% compared to 0.53% a year ago, and that is of course below the 2% federally mandated minimum for a second straight year. If you missed the juicy interview by the Senate Banking Committee to members of the financial industry, we've posted it on our blog, a link to the actual video. Several testified, including the CEOs of MERS and the CEO of Bank of America. They covered everything from robo-signing to chain of title issues. Diane Thompson with the National Consumer Law Center targeted servicers and fee structures as bigger issues than MERS. Not much in the way of solutions mentioned in the video, but just canned speeches, but interesting nonetheless. You can check that video out on thenorrisgroup.com/blog. This will probably come as no surprise for those of us in the industry, but according to the Community Association Institute, half of the estimated 310,000 community associations are having financial issues. Foreclosures are of course a big part of that issue, and CEO Thomas Skiba says 70% of bank-owned properties are not making timely payments to HOAs. The Federal Trade Commission released their final ruling today that bans providers of mortgage foreclosure rescue and loan modification services from collecting fees until homeowners have a written offer from their lender or servicer that they decide to be acceptable, also known as Mortgage Assistance Relief Services Rule, so MARS. And adding to the not-so-nice news, gloomy outlook on home sales. A few chimed in this week. Fiserv, a financial services technology provider, said it expects a 7.1% drop in housing prices. Standard & Poor's analysts believe home prices will drop 7 to 10% through 2011, and even the FDIC chimed in saying their negative outlook was expecting no less than 2 million properties per year being foreclosed on for 2010, 2011, and 2012, each having 2 million foreclosures in each of those years. That's it for the news headlines. You can check out many more on our blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog, including all the links to the stories we covered in the video. On the radio show this weekend, we have once again Rick Solis, Mike Cantu, and Tony Alvarez joining us for our 201st show after they joined us for our 200th anniversary show last week. Upcoming events, the Northern San Diego Real Estate Investors Club will be there for their annual meeting on December 5th, and December 14th will be at the annual party for the San Diego Creative Investors Association with Bill Tan. Looking forward to seeing all you San Diego folks, hopefully 2 times. So join us there on the radio, or if you're looking for more information about hard money, check out thenorrisgroup.com under the hard money loan section, or trust deed investing with us, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.